Welcome to my YouTube channel.
To put every day. Because my apple will let me go to school. Because it's good. I got food now. But it's cold. And also the steps. And now favorite. The previous clothes. I can't have fun with the house because I'm cold now. Go to any houses. I can't meet my friends. Please people, all these things like to go to house. Like this. So you don't get done. And I won't get coronavirus. I don't be bored. Yeah!